this is how I drop a bomb. Which the bomb is actually my wing. The bomb is actually my wing. So every single time that happens, I just gonna have no wing. So this is how I do it. I just do this, and then drop that. I might do that, then just do that. Boom. There it is. Then just do that. See, then look. Yeah. Then I just jump out like that, and just see it fly away. And here's how I do it with my big plane. It's like, it's even harder. Mega plane, yeah. Mega update, big plane, mega plane. I try to keep it like my old style, because I didn't know how to spell mega. And I did it in front of how I thought I had it spelled. Like, yeah. So, yeah, I'm a yapper, capper. So it has the same exact thing. It has the same exact technique. It has the same exact toppings, and then we got the passenger room. Heard an explosion. That wasn't mine. Oh, that wasn't mine. And I'm missing this. I've been missing that for a while. I just. Huh? How is it staying up? Oh, I'm going down. I'm going down. Oh, stop. I'm sorry for that. If it was loud, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh. That's my wing. And yes, my seat ejects. So if I go in my room, it's gone. The seat's gone. It ejects. It's over here. Mana drunk with the diwa. Petro. Ronnie kami to sa pepe. Jiwa kami yami to sa tasiwa. Petro. Get off of my seat. You really want to do that? You really want to do that? So you really want to do that? You really want to do that? Okay. I'm just gonna explode it instantly right in front of y'all. I'm gonna explode it instantly. They want it. I think they want it. I'm gonna explode the wing first, and I'm just gonna crash into them. They want that. They just want to steal my seat. That's my seat. It's my seat. Like, bro, you can't steal my seat. It's my seat. Bro, my seat. See, look, bro. See, look, bro. Watch this. Hey, yellow team. Oh, they're already gone. Yeah. What's happening? No. This can't be happening. I can't pull up. Why is it not letting me pull up? Oh, never mind. It's letting me now. Is it carbon D1? Petro, 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 Pet. Ronnie kami to sa Pepe. Jiwa kami yami na sa Biwa. Okay, what is... What was that? Let's... Staying still, eyes closed, let the moments pass me by. I paying bills, eyes closed. If I fall, I'll make a fire. Trust me, make me part of your desire. Look at that! This is all the damage it has caused to this one team. Oh, yeah, they just decided to kill themselves. They think it's gonna go away. Oh, how? Okay, okay. So, anyway, so. Oh, wow. So, okay. Anyways, oh wait. Oh, they think it's fine. They think it's fine. They think it's fine for that. Okay, okay. They want to do it. Okay, I'm loading it in. I'm just gonna crash it right into that build right there. There's gonna be debris everywhere. There's a car. There's a car in front of our house.
Car?
A white car.
Well.
It's in front of our house. Now it's leaving. Okay, so they're still in the game. Yeah. So let's just go. And what happened to my windows? What happened to this window? Wait. Look. I got an idea. Oh wait. Wait. What if I don't go over here? What if I put the control seat in the middle over here? Can we put it right here? Oh, that would be so good. That would be so good though. Like, oh. Okay, so pilot. No. Bro, I can't delete it now. There we go. No. Oh, okay. There we go. So now, let's just take off in this spot right there. I think I just put one of them in the water. Oh, they launched. Okay. Oh my god. Petro. Ronnie got me this. If they decide to click the buttons. Oh, wait a second. Ooh. Ronnie got me this Pepe. Gina walking through your oh. Oh, they thought. There's no more pilot seat. Wrong. No. Oh wait, is that? No. That's part of my plane. Wait, I can't. Oh. Well, I wanna see my Oh wait. Oh, there's the main part of the plane. Oh wait. Is there oh wait, no. That's all. That's it. Never mind. The plane's all right over here. I'm gonna wait for it to come, and I'm just gonna go on it. I'm on the plane again. So let's just go right here and just sit right here. We're fine. We're fine. Wait, is it exploding? I don't know. I'm off camera. I don't know what's happening. Sorry. I'm sorry. Wait. 10 minutes. Oh my god, are you recording? Since when was there a fish here? Oh, my ears. Everything just disappears. Oh. I'm gonna reset. Oh wait. So is this plane gonna make it? What if the plane makes it? Is the plane at this stage? We know. Oh, what? Okay. Hold up. Yeah, I think the internet went out. What's happening? Hold up, I'm gonna go ask my mom something. I can't get to this. I'm trying to stop the screen record.
Did not exit out of it.
I can't.
Internet's not out. Give me that.
Oh my god. Hold up. Try to stop the screen record because the internet went out. See ya. I get it out. Good. It's not.
Stop using the screen recorder. I never said you can do that. You're taking my
See you later.
mobile